Hello, I'm Julie Meek. I'm a sports dietitian. Fried rice for me is something that I love, and it brings back really special memories of my nan. And she had a lot of different tricks and tips that really made her food zing. The fantastic thing about fried rice is that you can use absolutely anything that you've got in the fridge. I've used carrot, spring onion, frozen peas and some cauliflower cut into small florets. But we're using a unique ingredient today that you may not have thought about before, and that's hemp seed. These little hearts or seeds are really special because they're a really high source of protein. They contain about 30% protein, and they add a real nutty flavour to any dish. Let's get over to the stove and put it all together. First of all, what you need to do is scramble the egg. So we'll put a little bit of butter and the egg in, scramble it, and then move on to the rest of it. Just put your scrambled egg onto the plate and set that aside until we're ready to use that. And first of all, you're going to put in the carrot, the garlic, and the cauliflower florets. So saute these three ingredients for about 5 minutes until they're just starting to go soft. Once these guys are a little bit soft and they're starting to look a little bit light brown, then we can move on to the next lot of ingredients. Now we're going to add the rice, the peas, and the spring onions. You can saute this for around 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how soft you want those veggies. Once they've all started to cook, then you can add the sauces. So we're adding some oyster sauce and some soy sauce, just for that lovely flavour. The last two ingredients that we have to add is the scrambled egg that you made before and the hemp seeds. And then we're pretty much done. The aromas of this fried rice are divine. So here we have our fried rice with hemp seed. It's a really fast food to make. You can put anything you like in it. It is cheap, it is economical, and the perfect weekend dish. You can find the full instructions and the ingredient list in the description listed on this video. Go check it out.